Good evening, this is Kavipriya, Assistant Professor, EC Department. Today I am going to discuss about the topic digital voltmeter. So first, what is a digital voltmeter? So digital voltmeter is an electronic instrument. It is used for measuring the voltage in electrical circuits. So it provides a numerical display of voltages in AC or DC. So the voltage is measured in volts. It is easier for the user to read and interpret the measurement compared to analog voltmeter, whereas in analog voltmeter a needle will be there to indicate the corresponding voltage, whereas in digital voltmeter will be having a numerical display. So it is easier for the user to read and interpret the data. And this is the block diagram for digital voltmeter. It consists of an AND gate, NOT gate, and it has a pulse generator and it has a decimal display. So next we're going to see about the working principle of a digital voltmeter. So digital voltmeter takes an analog voltage, convert it into a digital format, process the digital signal and then displays the voltage value on the screen. It consists of a signal conditioning unit. The input voltage is conditioned to a suitable value for processing in signal conditioning unit. This may involve amplification or attenuation. And second one is a analog to digital conversion. The conditioned analog voltage, which is an output of signal conditioning unit, is then converted to digital signal using an analog to digital converter. The ADC breaks down the continuous value, the continuous here, that is a continuous voltage, into a discrete digital value. Next is a microprocessor or microcontroller. The digital signal, which is an output of ADC, is processed by the microprocessor or microcontroller, which might include functions like range selection, display control, and calibration. And next is a display unit. The final digital value will be displayed on the device screen. Some digital voltmeter may have additional features such as auto ranging, and it can be operated in the different measurement mode. And final is a power supply. Digital voltmeter are usually powered by the batteries or an external power source. And next is the types of a digital voltmeter. So we have totally 4 types. They are ramp type digital voltmeter, integrating digital voltmeter, continuous balance digital voltmeter, successive approximation digital voltmeter. First one is a integrating digital voltmeter. It integrates the input voltage over a time for accurate DC and AC measurements. Second one is a ramp time digital voltmeter. It converts the input voltage into a frequency related signal for measuring. The measurement will be based on the time to reach level. And next is a successive approximation digital voltmeter, SADV. It estimates the input voltage by iterative approximation until the accuracy level is being achieved. And next is a dual slope integrating digital voltmeter. It measures the voltage by integrating the input signal in one direction, then discharging in the opposite direction for a specific time to determine the output. And next is the advantages of a digital voltmeter. First one is it is a digital display of output. So it eliminates the human made errors. And next is the readings are accurate and it is faster when compared to the analog voltmeter. And next is the digital voltmeter is more stable and it is more reliable. It is smaller in size and it is cost effective. It can measure both AC and DC voltages. It is void of parallax errors because it consists of a digital display, and it has a automatic range selection, and it has a high input impedance. And next is the drawbacks of digital voltmeter. So digital voltmeters are more prone to damage if voltage is increased beyond the limit. And second is the display depends on the external power supply or battery. And when a fluctuation occurs in a circuit, digital voltmeter cannot read and display an error. And next is a speed of operation is limited due to the digitizing circuits in digital voltmeter. And last one is applications of digital voltmeter. Digital voltmeter is used to know the actual voltage of different components in the circuit. Digital voltmeter used to check if there is any power in the circuit, such as mains outlet. Knowing the voltage across a circuit using the digital voltmeter, we can calculate the current value. And that's all about the block diagram of digital voltmeter and working principle, applications, advantages and drawback. Thank you.